Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Sign out of the Chromebook and back up important files first. Use Google Drive, USB, or an external hard drive for files. Confirm you know the Google account password and recovery email or phone. Make sure you have internet access so settings sync and confirmations complete. If the Chromebook will need another user, prepare a second account to sign in after removal. Close open apps and save documents before proceeding with account removal steps on the sign-in screen. Sign out to reach the Chromebook sign-in screen with user profiles listed. Click the profile you want to delete, then click the down arrow or 3 dots next to the name. Choose Remove this user from the menu and read the confirmation details. Confirm removal to delete local browsing data, downloads, and any locally stored files for that profile. Understand that this action removes only local data and does not delete the Google account from Google servers or other devices. If you need a full device wipe, use Power Wash from Settings or at Sign-In. Power Wash will factory reset the Chromebook and remove all user accounts and local data. Backup files first because this action permanently deletes downloads, local folders, and caches. To re-add a user afterward, sign in with the Google account credentials and enable sync to restore bookmarks and settings. If you removed a profile accidentally, you can sign in again and resync, but local data cannot be recovered without a backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.